Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BE Tech Mechanical Engineers 15th December 2022. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. Every Monday and Friday we will upload new employment opportunity for mechanical engineers, and this week in this video we have included 5 government jobs, 6 private jobs and 3 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this, first, government jobs. In government job, first one is Assistant Manager General Stream at Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI. SIDBI is an apex regulatory body for overall licensing and regulation of micro, small and medium enterprises finance companies in India. It is under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance, Government of India and having its offices all over the country. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of vacancies are 100. Pay and allowances 28,150 to 55,600 plus DA plus HRA plus other allowances approximately 70,000 per month. Qualification required for the post is BE or BTech in mechanical engineering or any other degree with an aggregate minimum of 60% of marks. Application fee 1,100 for general EWS or OBC and 175 for SC/ST candidates. Age limit is 28 years. Selection procedure. The selection process for the post will be by way of an online examination comprising objective and descriptive tests followed by a personal interview. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can see on the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 3rd January 2023. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next job is Supervisor at the Currency Note Press, Nasik, SPMCIL. The Currency Note Press, Nasik, Maharashtra is one of the 9 units under the Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited, SPMCIL, a Miniratna Category 1 Central Public Sector Enterprise, a wholly owned by Government of India. Objective of the company is designing, manufacturing, printing, security documents, currency and banknotes, non-judicial stamp papers, minting of coins, stamps, etc. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Pay and allowances are 27,600 to 95,910. Industrial DA pattern plus DA plus HRA plus other allowances. Age limit is 30 years. Mechanical engineer can apply for the post of supervisor technical operation mechanical. Application fee is 600 for general EWS or OBC and 200 for SC/ST candidates. Selection process. Initially, candidates shall be called for an online examination which will be of objective type. The final selection will be made on the basis of merit list as per marks obtained in the online examination only. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can see at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates can apply through online on website as shown on screen on or before 16th December 2022. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Senior Scientific Assistant Mechanical at Ministry of Defence through UPSC's last date is 16 December 2022. Scientist or Engineer at Indian Space Research Organization ISRO's last date is 19 December 2022. Ground Duty Technical and Flying Branch at Indian Air Force last date is 30th December 2022. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is Graduate Program Innovation and Digital at VESTAS, New Delhi. VESTAS Wind System is a Danish manufacturer, seller, installer and servicer of wind turbines that was founded in 1945. Vestas design, manufacture, install and service wind turbine across the globe and with more than 113 gigawatt of wind turbines in 81 countries and employs more than 25,000 people globally. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2023 batch. Degree should complete on or before September 2023. Job ID is 33885. Role summary. As graduate, you must be committed to our purpose of creating a more sustainable future as well as our culture of collaboration. We win and lose together. To do well in a graduate role, you should also possess the courage to speak up and the ability to motivate and influence your colleagues. Responsibilities. Have good methodological and communication skill, demonstrate fast track learning ability and the openness to learn from others, strive to improve and simplify our work and our solution for the benefit of our customer, have an inclusive and global mindset, etc. Required qualification: hold or will complete by September 2023 a relevant master or bachelor's degree from university with limited full-time work experience after graduation. We are open to various educational backgrounds. Have a solid grasp of business concept, possess a valid visa or work permit, be fluent in English both verbally and in writing. Role: graduate program, industry type is wind turbine, functional area is production manufacturing. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 15 January 2023. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our video's description. From there, you can find these links. By clicking these links, you will redirect to a direct website of the company. From there, you can apply directly. Next job is training engineer at DANIELI India Limited, TADA. DANIELI Group is an Italian supplier of equipment and physical plants to the metal industry. It has more than 25 divisions worldwide, design, manufacturing and services center, 7 of which are production center. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0-year experience, that means 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022 pass out students can apply. Salary offered are 4 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities: define and enforce coding standards and suggest alternative technical solution to meet client requirement. Monitors and evaluate the quality, responsiveness, efficiency and effectiveness of engineering and construction projects. Establish and maintain cross-functional cultural working environment, etc. Role is engineering trainee, industry type is engineering and construction, functional area is production manufacturing. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next job is sensor integration trainee at MERCEDES-BENZ R&D India Private Limited, Bangalore. MERCEDES-BENZ India Private Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of the German Daimler AG, founded in 1994. MBRDI are now one of the largest development centers outside of Germany, employing over 5,000 skilled engineers aside from being an integral part of all business units and brands of Daimler worldwide. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. 2022 batch or 2023 batch also can apply. Key tasks and responsibilities: ability to take decision related to plastic sheet metal components from tooling or manufacturing or prototyping perspective, knowledge of stack-up and GDT study, product data management, PLM, release control and coordination, well versed with the drawing standards, etc. Role is sensor integration trainee, functional area is automobile. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next job is R&D Engineer 1 at Honeywell Automation India Limited, Bangalore. Honeywell International Corporation is an American MNC and it primarily operates in 4 areas of business: aerospace, building technologies, performance materials and technologies, and safety and productivity solutions. Honeywell is a Fortune 100 company and was ranked 92nd in 2019. Honeywell Automation India Limited has more than 3,000 employees across India. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. Job ID is HRD 18252. Job description: join a team that designs, develops, prototypes, and manufacture lighting system for Honeywell Aerospace. You will be integral in creating system solutions that meet the evolving needs of our customer. You will be involved in every aspects of the system life cycle, from the front end of business development through product end of life. Role is R&D Engineer 1. Industry type is design. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the real notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next job is graduate engineering trainee at TEMA India Limited, THANE. TEMA India mastered the art of designing and manufacturing heat exchangers. The company has grown to be one of the largest manufacturers of shell and tube heat exchanger in India. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. Salary offered at 2 lakh to 2,25,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: understanding project requirements and completing all duties assigned by the supervisor. Candidates must have interest working in static design of shell and tube heat exchanger, pressure vessel, etc. Previous experience in design, if any, will be an added advantage. Good communication skills, etc. Role is graduate engineering trainee. Industry type is engineering and construction. Functional area is production manufacturing. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next job is graduate engineering trainee at KONE Corporation, Chennai. KONE Corporation, headquartered in Finland, is an international engineering and service company employing over 60,000 personnel across 60 countries worldwide. The company provides local service for builders, developers, building owners, designers, and architects in 1,000 offices in over 50 countries. Experience required for the post is fresh graduate engineer, 0 to 1 year of relevant experience. Job IDs R06624553. Job description: able to analyze the customer complaints, monitor progress and effectiveness of corrective and preventive action, update order or progress to other stakeholders in timely basis, works independently also as a team on the assigned task and delivers the required results on time, etc. Role is graduate engineering trainee. Industry type is builds and services moving walkways. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the notification and can apply only through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice at Ordnance Factory Bhusawal. Ordnance Factory Bhusawal is a unit of DANIELI India Limited under the Department of Defence Production, Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Initially, OFBH started its production with 34-gallon capacity barrels, and it was one of the 41 Indian ordnance factories under the Eastwell Ordnance Factories Board of Ministry of Defence controlled by Government of India. The candidates must have passed their BE or BTech course during November 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022. Number of posts 3 for mechanical engineers. Age limit is 25 years. Selection process. Selection will be based on the merit percentage of marks obtained by the candidates in interview. How to apply? Detailed advertisement and application form can see on the website as shown on screen. Industrial eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. Industrial candidates can fill the application form and can send to the address saying in the advertisement on or before 2nd January 2023. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is some last state of apprenticeship training already informed in previous videos. Graduate apprentice at KONE India Limited for Southern Eastern Coalfields Limited's last date is 19th December 2022. Graduate apprentice trainee at HINDUSTAN AERONAUTICS LIMITED Accessory Division LUCKNOW's last date is 20th December 2022. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for the details of this job opportunity video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel MECH Engineering World. Thank you.